a web application security testing tool. Today, I'm going to be discussing what Burp Suite does and how it can help you test for vulnerabilities in your web applications. To start off, let's talk about the basics. Burp Suite is a suite of tools that provide a range of functions for testing web applications. It is used by both professional and hobbyists alike and can be used to assess the security of a website or a web application. The suite consists of a number of different tools, such as the intruder tool, which allow you to launch attacks such as SQL injection and cross-site scripting. The scanner tool is another useful tool which can be used to identify potential vulnerabilities in your web application. Now that we have a basic understanding of what Burp Suite is and what it can do, let's take a look at some of the ways it can help you protect your web application. The first way Burp Suite can help is by identifying potential vulnerabilities. It can be used to scan your web application for common vulnerabilities such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and more. Once a vulnerability is identified, Burp Suite can provide you with detailed information about the vulnerability, including the risk level and potential fixes. Another way Burp Suite can help is by helping you determine how secure your web application is against attack. It can be used to perform penetration tests, which are designed to identify weaknesses in your web application. Finally, Burp Suite can help you identify malicious requests that may be sent to your web application. It can be used to detect and block malicious requests before they reach your web application. That's it for my tutorial on Burp Suite. I hope you now have a better understanding of what this powerful tool can do to help you secure your web application. Thank you for watching and stay safe.